Hey Mike, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this free custom video for your business, Gladiator Electric. I do my outreach like this because it sets me apart from the million other marketers out there who promise an arm and a leg. But this is actual substance. I'm going to be showing you very specific things curated for your company. In this video, I plan to show you on how to get more customers every single month, how to beat out your competition, and how to increase your online presence. So I really hope you like what you see in this video. If you do, give me a call. I'd love to chat. We can make a bigger game plan. If not, no harm, no foul. This video is free for you. Enjoy the tips. So let me get started. I'm going to be talking about three things, which are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. I'll try to keep it only up to 5 minutes. So first, content. Content is going to be anything that's on this first home page. I'm not going to go to the other pages. I'm just going to stick to the home page for this video. Google loves content, and they want to see at least 2,000 words of content on the home page. Now, every so forth, they change their rules and regulations or how they rank websites. Right now, they want to see like 2,000 words on the home page, and that's going to be content with keywords in there. So I see that you have the website made out. It looks pretty good, easy on the eyes, but you can definitely use a lot more content, which is going to be keyword rich. So you want to have your targeted keywords inside the content, but you definitely need a lot more. And also, everything on the homepage matters. What's behind each word, what's behind the pictures, they all add up to making a big difference in your overall ranking. So you want to make sure everything is keyword dense. So you see right here, this picture is saved as solar panels. That's not really going to do anything for your website. It's just one more picture on the web. Now, if you had saved this with actual keywords, it's going to set it apart and help you rank. Secondly, I want to talk to you about something called citations. Citations basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. Now, mostly these go on online directories like Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, and all those places. The more you can get out there, it's better for your website and the visibility for your business, and gives you more authority, frankly speaking. Right here, I did a quick search on electricians in New York City. Now, even if you don't target that specific area, every search is going to look basically exactly like this one. So what you see here is the first thing people are going to see are these Google guaranteed ads. Now, these are paid ads, and a business has to go through a verification process with Google. Once they do, they can pay to be on that spot. After that, we go on the traditional Google ads. As you know, I'm sure, these are also paid ads. After this one, we go to this section called Google My Business, also known as the Google Map Pack. Now, you want to be on these top 3 spots. Google only shows the top 3. There's a lot more, but the top 3 are the one that gets all the clicks, all the calls. Now, to be on here is what I was talking about before, citations. You want to have a lot of good citations to beat out everybody else and place your business right there. After that, we go to this section called the organic section. This is where websites and companies beat out everyone else, all the thousands of other competitors, and make it to the first page of Google. That's ultimately where you want your website to be, because nobody's really going on the second or third page. 95% of the clicks happen on the first page. So that's where you want to be. Everybody here is getting the lion's share of the business who get on the first page. These are organic leads coming in month after month, increasing your business. Thirdly, I want to talk to you about something called backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid service. I pay for it every month, but it gives me really good information that I can use. A backlink is any website out there which points to your website. It basically drives that traffic to you, and the more websites you have pointing to you is basically going to make you popular with Google and rank your website higher and higher. Now, all backlinks are not created equally, so the quality of the backlink is very, very important. You want to have industry relevant backlinks from industry relevant websites. Right now, you guys have 426 backlinks coming from 24 referring domains. You are targeting 56 keywords, and you're getting about 10, 11 people visiting your website every single month. Now, to put this into context with you, there's a competitor right here. This is their page. They have 381 backlinks coming from 47 referring domains. They're hitting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people visiting their website every single month. Now, obviously, this is where you want to be at, and ultimately even higher than these guys. Now, you already have a made out website. You need to implement a few changes, which is going to help you get there. So the more traffic is going to equal more leads. Ultimately, it's going to equal more sales coming into your business. And I just did a little more research. I see that your website was created in 2013, so 7.5 years ago. And the last time it was updated was in 2019, so in November. So you definitely want to make sure you're not just leaving your website out there, because there's millions of other ones, and you want to keep updating it every so often. So basically, I told you I'll try to keep it around 5 minutes. That's the information I wanted to share with you. I have a lot more to help you get on the first page, beat out the competition, get you on the map pack. I really hope you found this video to be valuable. All I would ask you for is some feedback. If you could please give me some feedback. I'll call you in a day or two to find out what you thought about the video. With that, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, Mike.